so I am back with a new product tutorial, and I partnered with Earthborn Organics, and I will show a slide here of all the products that she sent over of her new crown kit. It features 7 new products that she has in this product line, and in this specific tutorial, this will be part 1. I will be showing 4 of those products, and then I'll be doing a wash day tutorial in part 2 showing the other 3. So make sure you are on the lookout. I mean, I wanted to actually do a video. I am in a different outfit. This is day 3 of using the products that I used in this video, just to kind of show you guys how my hair held up for the past few days. This is day 3 since I took my twist out, but tomorrow, or actually this coming Wednesday, will be a week since I needed to wash my hair. I have been scratching my scalp like crazy. The products, I just loved every single one of them. She worked so hard on this product line, and I can tell every product that she put her heart into it, and I just love the ingredients that she used in this product line too. She did give me a printout of the main focus of certain ingredients in the actual product line, so you will be hearing me in the voiceover explaining certain ingredients and just educating you guys as I'm educating myself. And I can just really tell when I use better ingredients, my hair shows it. Hello. So again, like I said, this is day 3 here. I've got the volume, and the curl definition is still there and still intact. It's just popping. So I'm gonna let y'all check this tutorial out. It's a lot of curl poppage and slippage and greatness. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with the Shikakai Shampoo Bar, and I wanted to focus on the 2 main ingredients that are in this shampoo bar, which is Shikakai powder and kaolin clay. Kaolin clay gently cleanses hair and scalp without excessive drying. It strengthens your hair, improves elasticity, and treats dandruff. And then the Shikakai powder is a great source of essential vitamins. It cleanses and conditions follicles and promotes growth. Who doesn't want growth? My scalp felt amazing. It definitely treated the dandruff that I was having previous weeks, and my hair was just feeling amazing and moisturized. Okay, so this Camellia conditioning mask, guys, look at that moisture that just immediately went into my hair. The 2 things that I want to highlight in this conditioning mask is the Camellia oil. It is rich in omega-9 fatty acids and is famous for ability to seal in moisture. And I can just see that immediately in my curls, even just looking at this video, and just look at that. It's just so amazing. And also the rice bran oil. It contains a carbohydrate that prevents dandruff and reduces split ends. Again, contains omega-3s, 6, and helps prevent premature graying. But I mean, it left my hair looking so juicy, so moisturized. I'm so here for the prevention of dandruff because, again, like I mentioned, I was having that a couple of weeks ago, and I'm just saying, it is life. Now we have the Kukui Hydration Cream. I had to look that up so I knew how to pronounce it. But listen, again, hydration instantly. You see it on my curls. The slip is amazing. And I'm going to also bring out how Kukui oil is full of amino acids, essential fatty acids. It helps prevent itchy scalp, dandruff, penetrates the hair shaft, leaving hair healthy and moisturized. Again, the itchy scalp, I'm telling you, people who know me know sometimes I be scratching like a monkey, but I mean, this week so far has been amazing using these products. And just look at that, look at those curls. And also to highlight, aloe vera gel is the 3rd ingredient. It promotes hair growth, conditions hair, reduces dandruff, repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. And I mean, y'all, look at that. Curls looking juicy. And now we have the Mafura styling cream and Mafura butter. It is rich in essential fatty acids, softens the hair cuticles and elasticity. It also has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefits. Definitely enjoyed using that cream on my hair, and I also went in with the herbal oil to help seal in the moisture of those two products, or that product together, and my curls were popping, as you can see, nice and shiny and moisturized, so that I can complete these twists. And I did use the Herbal Infused Oil again the next day to take down my twist. It has amazing oils in here just to highlight: castor oil, wheat germ oil, sunflower oil, infused with lavender, basil, thyme, oregano, and sage. It's amazing. I mean, this whole product line mixed together had my hair looking amazing. And if you follow me on Instagram, you can follow on my stories and see how amazing this beautiful twist out came out. I mean, like I said, this product line was so amazing. I'm so satisfied and happy with the results. And you guys need to go follow my girl on Earthborn Organics, check her products out and get them yourselves. And I will see you guys in part 2.